This is how to build huge shoulders with the dumbbell shoulder press. First, these are the mistakes you got to avoid. 1, don't lift at a 90-degree angle. 2, don't neglect full range of motion. Unless you have an injury, bring your elbow at least parallel to your shoulders. This is how to get the most out of your dumbbell shoulder press the right way. 1, set the bench to a slight incline or flat. Like if you're just working out on the chair and you can't set an incline, that's fine. You can have a flat bench, 90 degrees, but a slight incline works as well, and it may alleviate some pain. So try both and see what's best for you. Number 2, lift at a 45-degree angle, meaning your elbows are at a 45-degree angle away from you. Not a 90-degree angle, a 45. Number 3, use full range of motion. Personally, I like to bring the dumbbells all the way down to my shoulders. Maybe that's not great for you. If it's not, don't do that. But bring your elbows at least parallel with your shoulders. Now, the dumbbell shoulder press is just one of the exercises you need to build your dream body. If you want to know the other exercises you need to be doing every week, download my 2 free workout programs. Link in the description, or go to jcarterae.com/free workout programs. These are the same programs I use to build my dream body, and I'm still using the Trap God program to this day. You've got nothing to lose except for the opportunity to download these programs while they're still available for free. They won't be free and available forever. Don't miss out. If you got any questions, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.